You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name. If you want to learn more names, including French names, make sure to stay tuned. I've got tons more videos for you. So, this is a name of French origin. In French, it can be said as Favre. Favre. Therefore, in English, it should be usually pronounced as Favre. Favre. But some pronounce it, including especially in the US, as Favre. You may be familiar with the American football quarterback named Brett Favre. Brett Favre. So sometimes it's pronounced Favre, especially in the US. Otherwise, Favre. Or in French, how to pronounce French pronunciation, Favre. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.